Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video, I'm gonna show different unique and stylish paper decoration ideas. I'm gonna show different paper art for frame, for kids, for animal, and etc. You guys know we can share different beautiful and stylish paper decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and amazing, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. So please share your friends and family members, and don't forget my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.